Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another video of very beautiful, stylish, and trendy ideas. Guys, the amazing and beautiful idea behind my today's sharing of exquisitely elegant and eye-catchy designs is 5D hand embroidery designs that will give a beautiful legacy and hard to believe that these are hand embroidery materials or something else because human mind once gets astonished that these are not hand embroidery works. They could not be made with the help of thread work, needle art, or simple, we can say, hand embroidered work because all of them are very creative, eye catchy, and mesmerizing, and at the same time giving unbelievable thread work. So, the ones who are in search of new creativity, beautiful design patterns, this video collection is absolutely for them. Guys, do try these patterns. These are, once again, I'm saying these are not beginner friendly patterns. These are design ideas, design patterns for the ones who are hand embroidery artists. They already know the art of hand embroidery. You can make these patterns and you can get these patterns done for you by going to a nearby embroidery artist and showing them these designs. Or you could take a screenshot of the favorite design of your own, or you could save this video to make the whole embroidery pattern in future. Believe me, you can make these creative arts of embroidery as a hoop art for DIY home decor items, for making very beautiful patterns of stylish hand art, hoop art onto your dresses, onto your DIY accessories, onto your baby girl dresses, onto your shirts, denim shirts, jackets, to give them more creative and unique look. Even you can make these very beautiful patterns of embroidery onto your handmade, hand embroidered bags, purses. The more you go further, the more you get very creative and beautiful ideas. These type of design ideas which gives 5D creativity requires a little more amount of effort along with the focus, attention of concentration. So I would recommend you to do try these patterns. Share your experiences with us in the comment section. Don't forget to leave a comment that which design you like the most and why. And with this, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing, stylish, and trendy ideas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. If you have already subscribed, then subscribers are very important. You can also subscribe from as many other devices as you could. And stay tuned for the more and new upcoming latest and trendy videos. Up till then, stay blessed.